One of the real strengths of the A-Series is scalability. You can choose from baseline to the premium options with over 300 configurations to match your budget and application. Whether you're running a low-hour operation or high-intensity fleets, the A-Series can be configured to find the exact truck to optimize your operation. No matter which configuration you pick, you're getting the same award-winning ergonomics and proven Hyster quality. You can pick from a simple, cost-efficient LCD display or go for the more advanced touchscreen, which gives you intuitive calibration and upgrades. Customers can choose from a mechanical transmission for low-hour use or an electronic transmission for reduced vibration and improved maintenance. For high-intensity work, with the need maybe for hill hold or tyre slip control, customers can select the Duramatch transmission. From value to premium masts, the A-Series delivers great durability, visibility and lift capacity, even at height, built to meet the most demanding operations. Some of the bigger benefits seen by our customers include up to 34% lower fuel consumption and 36% less maintenance costs compared to some of our leading competitors. The A-Series is fully compatible with hydro-treated vegetable oil. Many of our customers are looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint, but not all of them have the infrastructure to go fully electric today. Running trucks on HVO can be a step towards our customers' carbon neutral goals.